Under socialism, the state owns key industries and controls what little remains in the private sector. But as we learned in our first course, government plays a key, if limited, role in a free market economy as well. Indeed, Milton Friedman argued on economic grounds for the role of government in a free society. For many goods and services in a competitive market, prices capture both the benefits to the customer and the costs for the provider. But there are sometimes costs or benefits that fall outside the market process. Friedman called these neighborhood effects. Probably the most important of these are the rules of the game needed for markets to work. Think of property rights and obligations and contracts, for instance. We need a way to establish and enforce these. And we need a way to adapt them to changing circumstances. We also need a stable monetary system. Markets, in other words, need rule of law. Government may also play a role in education, public safety, transportation, and the oversight of technical monopolies. Friedman urged caution here, however. He thought we should weigh the costs and benefits of any new government action. We should first seek voluntary and market-oriented ways to produce these benefits. And even if the state plays some role in, say, roads or education, that doesn't mean it should control them or squeeze out private providers. For instance, early in his career, Friedman argued that free societies need a literate populace. So he thought the state should fund some basic education. But later, he fought for parents to receive school vouchers. He saw that primary and secondary education had become much like government monopolies. They needed the discipline that competitive markets provide. Finally, Friedman thought government could help care for people with no family support who can't care for themselves.